Welcome back to my channel. Today let's see what are the easiest ways to attract girls. Dress well and groom yourself properly. Girls notice appearance first, and looking clean, stylish, and confident makes a strong first impression. Maintain good posture and body language. Confident body language signals strength and leadership, which many girls naturally find attractive. Be genuinely interested in her thoughts and feelings. When you listen deeply, it makes her feel important and understood, which builds strong emotional attraction. Use humor to create a light and happy vibe. Girls are naturally drawn to someone who can make them laugh and feel good in their presence. Maintain eye contact while speaking. Eye contact builds trust and emotional connection, making you seem more attractive and confident. Compliment her in a meaningful and respectful way. Sincere compliments about her personality or effort are more effective than shallow ones about looks. Speak clearly and with purpose. Girls like a guy who knows what he's saying and says it with confidence and calm energy. Show ambition and purpose in your life. Having goals and direction shows that you are motivated and dependable, which is highly attractive. Be emotionally stable and in control. Girls feel safer and more connected around someone who remains calm and centered under stress. Make her feel seen and appreciated. When a girl feels valued around you, she naturally becomes more emotionally attached and attracted. Mirror her energy subtly. During conversations, matching her tone and pace makes her feel more comfortable and emotionally synced with you. Be kind and polite to others around you. When she sees how you treat others kindly, she feels that she can trust you and open up emotionally. Create mystery by not oversharing too soon. Girls are intrigued by a little mystery. It keeps them curious and wanting to know more about you. Speak with a calm and deep voice. A lower, calm voice signals confidence and masculinity, which triggers subconscious attraction. Use light physical touch when appropriate. Small gestures like a touch on the shoulder build connection when done naturally and respectfully. Show leadership in small ways like making decisions. Being decisive shows confidence and leadership, which many girls find naturally attractive. Keep a good sense of humor even under pressure. If you stay fun and calm when things go wrong, she'll admire your emotional strength. Share interesting stories from your life. Girls are drawn to guys who live with purpose, passion, and interesting experiences to share. Respect her opinions and ideas. Respect shows emotional maturity and intelligence, both of which are attractive traits. Surround yourself with positive social energy. Being liked by others shows social proof, making you seem more valuable and interesting to her. Avoid trying too hard to impress her. Trying too hard feels fake. Instead, be relaxed and let your natural strength shine through. Be passionate about something in life. Passion shows depth, and drive, and women love guys who are deeply into something meaningful. Stay calm and in control during emotional moments. Emotional self-control makes her feel emotionally safe and secure around you. Use silence strategically instead of always talking. Silence creates mystery and presence, making her more curious and engaged. Smile genuinely when talking to her. A real smile makes you more approachable, trustworthy, and emotionally warm to be around. Maintain personal boundaries and self-respect. Girls respect guys who don't let others take advantage of them and who value their time and energy. Be playful and teasing in a kind way. Light teasing creates a fun emotional bond and shows that you're comfortable and confident. Take care of your mental and physical health. A healthy mind and body reflect discipline, which is attractive and signals long-term potential. Don't be afraid to disagree respectfully. Being honest with your opinions shows strength and authenticity, not weakness. Let her invest in the conversation too. When she invests her time and thoughts in the conversation, she begins to feel more connected to you. Use her name during conversation. Using her name makes things more personal, and people respond positively to hearing their own name. Be consistent in your behavior. Consistency shows reliability, and reliability builds trust, which is the root of attraction. Stay a little mysterious about your day-to-day life. Not telling her everything right away gives her reason to keep thinking about you. Have a strong sense of humor about yourself. Self-deprecating humor shows humility and confidence at the same time, which girls respect. Be emotionally expressive in a healthy way. Sharing your feelings shows you're human and mature, but only when it's done with control. Offer her subtle challenges from time to time. A man who's a bit of a challenge keeps things interesting and builds deeper attraction. Stay grounded and avoid acting needy. Neediness pushes people away, while self-reliance draws them closer. Show her that you have options and value yourself. When she sees others like you, it increases your perceived value in her mind. Speak with enthusiasm when discussing your passions. Passionate people are magnetic, and she'll want to know more about what excites you. Be supportive without trying to fix everything. Listening without trying to solve her problems shows emotional maturity and patience. Build emotional tension before becoming physical. Creating a slow, emotional build-up increases anticipation and deepens attraction. Make her laugh when she least expects it. Unexpected laughter creates emotional spikes that she'll associate with you. Let her chase you a little too. Giving her space to pursue you flips the script and makes her more emotionally invested. Avoid bragging or talking about yourself too much. Over-explaining your worth looks insecure. Let your actions show your value instead. Be curious about her world and experiences. Asking thoughtful questions shows interest and gives her a reason to open up emotionally. Keep developing yourself constantly. Self-growth is deeply attractive because it shows you're always becoming better, not stagnant. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.